Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
शेनवारा फातोडेर मांडवी न्हंयत बिट्टोणा एका क्रूज बोटीक उजो लागिल्लो. बंदर खात्याची टग बोट उसरां पावली म्हूण बोवाळ. कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्टाचो संचालक ऑक्टिविया रॉड्रिगीज सांगता 13 मिनटां भितर खंय टग बोट पावली. फातोडेर 5:23 मिनटांनी खंय तांकां फोन आयिल्लो.
In our waters, inquiry is being done. Okay, the incident has to be actually examined, and whatever is the fault or whatever is the finding, we need to make an incident report about this. Okay, so already we have put one of our competent surveyor along with our technical superintendent to investigate into it, and they will give me the report. We got a call at around exactly 5:23, and within 13 minutes, 13 minutes, our tug along with the master who was Gilbert, very competent people, and the whole staff which is there kept 24 hours. This has been there to it was a low tide. There was a lot of current going, so the vessel itself, which was drifting, broke off because the rope melting broke off. Our vessel have to come in. I cannot tell my tug to go and touch this vessel and
मजगती प्रुडंटान लायव्ह केल्ल्या रिपोर्टा प्रमाण जर आपण पळयलें जाल्यार 4:45 खंय घडणूक घडिल्ली. अर्द्या वरां उपरांत बंदर खात्याक फोन आयल्या उपरांत 100 मिटराचेर आशिल्ल्या बंदर खात्याच्या टग बोटीच्या कर्मचाऱ्यांक जाग आयली. उदकाच्या पंपा विशीं विचारल्यार तो म्हणटा मातसो खंय तरी फॉल्टी आशिल्लो. टेक्निकल सुप्रिंटेंडंट खंय चवकशी करता. घडणुके वेळार सुकती आशिल्ल्यान खंय थोडोसो त्रास जालो.
So see, this is a FIFI system. We have a separate pump for that, okay, which is engine driven. So initially, it has to be you start at a lower this thing. Then finally, the pressure was up. So what happened? There was some small obstruction in the flow. Okay, so that's why there was some leakage in the pump. In the pump casing or something like that. Okay, I will just check because it's been under investigation. Our marine sleeping in charge. He will investigate and he will give me the report.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.